This is the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo plus DJI RC2 bundle. It's a lot of words. So basically it comes in a bag already, and then it comes with another bag. So double bagged up.
On a Wednesday night.
On a Wednesday night. This comes with a strap, so I could look like a woman.
Stay strapped, homies.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
You're right.
Wow. First, this is the remote. That's heavy. Heavy weight. Wow.
Ooh.
On the back are these that you twist in for the knobs. You can set these back here to control whatever. Here are these. You flip out. The antennas charges by USB-C, has an SD card in there. Comes with 3, wow, that feels nice. Comes with 3 batteries. 45-minute flight time for each battery. Nice. And here's the drone. Wow. Comes with a protective lens cover. Okay.
Do you see Scout?
I do. Wow. He's standing and moving.
He's standing.
I don't want to break this, so I don't know how to use it yet. So.
Okay, yeah.
What's this say? Remove the foam and sticker before use. Gotcha. There's the sticker, and there's the foam. Now the gimbal is free. Look at that.
Whoa.
This is 249 grams, so you don't need to register it anywhere. You can fly it anywhere without having a license.
Anywhere?
Not Germany or something.
Anywhere.
You can fly it anywhere in the U.S. without a license, besides national parks.
Say baba.
Baba.
Wow.
Can you say dada? Say
He
dada.
said
Yeah.
Good job, buddy.
Can you say bye bye? Bye. Say bye. Can you say
Oh, I
mama?
see. So they fold up and down. So down and out and up and... Okay. So there's what it's going to look like.
Ooh, that's pretty hot. Oliver, can you say ball?
Ball.
Yes.
Can you say dada?
Da. Da.
Can you say dad?
Da. Da.
Can you say mama?
Mama.
Wow.
Can you say dog?
That's very impressive. It really is.
Say blue? Say blue. Say red.
Yeah.
Yeah. Say yellow.
No.
Yeah.
Say sock.
Yeah.
Say on.
Ah.
On.
Oh, in the top it comes with more propellers, a charger.
Can you say shoe? Shoe. Ooh.
A screwdriver, a USB-C cable,
Can you
2
say
of them.
bok, bok? What does a chicken say? Bok bok.
All right, guys, so I'm going to charge everything here. We're going to see how it works. Oh, so this is partway charged,
Is it just his butt in the frame?
pretty much. Oh, there we go. Oh, here we go. Okay. Gimbal motor overload. Why? Nothing is going on with this gimbal. Oh. Aircraft pitch angle too large. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, let's take off from my hand here. How about that? First to ever take off. Oh. In the snow. Should not be doing this, but... Okay. How do you take off? Take off. Oh, God. Oh, that is strong. What do I do? I don't want to lose it. Whoa, whoa. Okay. Wait. How do you angle the camera?
It's gonna fall on me.
How do you angle the camera down? Okay, that's not the camera. That's not the camera. Oh, there we go. Looking left, right. Camera left, right. Okay, bro is just gone. Okay. Okay. I don't know how to. How do I angle the camera down? Okay, it's just turning it. Okay, that's saying it's close to the. Oh wait, no, that's forward, back. How do I get it? How do I get it down? I gotta learn how to point the camera down. Okay, we're gonna land it right here. Land. Landing. Careful. Yes! Whew. Okay, let's figure out how to turn the camera down. Bro, I don't.
Yeah. I don't even see it.
Look at this.
I don't know what I'm looking at.
I am in violation of local laws and regulations. The aircraft is 600 feet in the. I don't even see it.
How'd you get it? Yo, get it back down. What are you doing?
Oh, that's a strong breeze.
True.
Phantom tax.
I don't feel the breeze.
You do now.
Oh, now I do.
It can't go any lower because you're below it. Look at it.
Oh.
Holding it down. If we move, it will. All right, we're gonna find a spot. Oh, geez. Oh, geez. Oh, geez. Let's see if I move my head towards it. Whoa! Totally worth $500. Land in 3, 2, 1.
Landing.
I said land!
Oh.
Area under aircraft, unsuitable for landing. You literally landed in it.
Yeah.
Do I just hold it? It won't let me. It won't let me. God. You're suitable for landing. Okay, please land. You did it last time. Do it again. That's not good for the blades. Okay. We're done.